Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Coach Awaji on this one. And in this particular video, I'm teaching just how to get data at the cheapest rate. So if you're a tech guy like me or an online entrepreneur and you're looking for the best platform to get data at the cheapest rate so that you can be able to minimize costs, and use your extra cash for a lot of other things. So I want you to stick with me on this video because I will review this platform that I use to get data at the cheapest rate. One of the best platforms you get data at the cheapest rate. So before we jump right to my screen, if you're just joining the channel or the first time meeting me, I'm Coach Awaji. I do a lot of videos on online entrepreneur and make money online videos. So if you're here to subscribe to the channel, I want you to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll jump right to my screen. Welcome to my screen, guys. So if you're an online entrepreneur like myself or a tech guy and you're looking for the best application to get the cheapest data rates or the best data bundles, then I'll recommend this particular application to you. You can see the user interface is very mobile friendly and it's available both on iOS and Android device. So if you're using an iOS device or an Android device, there's no problem. You can download it from either your Play Store or your Apple Store. So without boring you guys with so long talk, I'll just be going to the user interface of the platform. As you can see, it has a lot of features which I wouldn't be focusing on. It has a lot of features. You can see airtime e-pin, data coupons, broadband data, cable subscription, GoTV and all of that, exam pin, funding, a lot of things. So it's a very amazing app, but I won't be centering on those because we'll be focusing on just their data plan. So we're clicking on data. Okay, this is my available balance this is my available balance. So you can see any network of your choice, any network, either MTN, any service provider you're using, you're good to go. This app is just there for you. If you're using MTN, if you're going with MTN, I would suggest you go with SME data. So we're going to be looking at their data plans. You can see very flexible data plan. You can see MTN 500 MB for just 139 naira, 500 MB. You can see 1 gig is going for and all the data plans, mind you, they are for a monthly data plans. 1 gig is going for 278 naira. 2 gig is going for 556 naira. So now we're going to my OP. So I want us to do a price comparison between this application and your OP application, because I know most of us, we subscribe our phone, recharge our data through our OP application. So now I'm going to my OP right away. So this is my OP. Okay, my face ID. Okay, face unlock. Okay. So you can see I'm going to data plans. Yeah, we're going to data plans. So you can see data plans here. You can see 1 gig for 1 day. Okay, let's go to monthly plans. You can see 1.2 gig, which will last for 30 days. 1.2 gig is 1,000 naira. Whereas on this particular platform, it is 1 gig is 278 naira. Are you seeing the difference? So let's go. Let's do a little comparison again. Okay, you can see 3 gig is going for 1,600 naira. So let's check 3 gig on this particular platform. 3 gig is going for 838 naira. You can see 10 gig on your OP app is going for 3,500 naira. So let's do a comparison. 10 gig here is going for 2,780 naira. So you can see the price margin is very clear. The price margin is clear. So if you want to, sometimes you can even if you can even turn this to a form of business opportunity. Your friends want to recharge data for your friends, instead of them going to OP or any other app to pay much, you collect the money from them, you take your profit and you recharge them from this particular platform. You can see it's not only for MTN. You can see there are other network. You can see Airtel, Glo, 9 Mobile. So it's available for all service provider, all network. You need to save it. And how do you fund your account? It's very easy to fund your account. Either you fund your wallet, you can fund through Paystack and a lot of money you can do through modified transfer. But due to CBN policy, you need to verify your identity you put your BVN and all of that. Mind you, this application is a very secure application. It's a very secure application, so you shouldn't have to get scared, filling in your details. But if you're having issues, putting in your details, or you're also scared of putting in your BVN and all of that on a particular platform, there's another way out, because this is a particular way I'm going to fund my account. I fund through Paystack deposit. You can see, you just type in the amount. You can start with as low as 100 naira. You can type in the amount. This is your number, fund. So you see, you can pay through. There are various ways. You can pay through OP Direct. You can pay through bank transfer and all of that. If you want to pay through bank transfer, you see, they're going to give you an account number here. So you just copy the account number, go to your bank, make the transfer, and you click on send the money, and the transaction will be initiated. The money will reflect on your application. So those of you that are interested in using the application, I'll be leaving the link of this application in the description box below. Once again, if you gain value from this video, I want you to leave me a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're here too. And you can also join my Telegram community by clicking on the link in the description box below. You can see this is my community. I post a lot of make money online tips. A lot of videos and tips I may not be able to post on YouTube. I post them here on my Telegram channel. So you can do well to click on the link in the description box below to join my community. And also the link to the application, the cheap data application, I'll also leave it in the description box for both iOS and Android. You can click on the link and sign up for free on this particular app. So thanks guys, see you on the next video.